You know, when people ask me why I use KT tape, I tell them the honest truth. It's because it helps my patients move better, feel better, and recover faster. You know, I didn't necessarily believe in KT tape at first, and then I used it with my patients and everything changed. I'm Dr. Kyle Richmond. I'm a chiropractor, rehab specialist, and I'm the owner of REBUILT Strength Rehab here in New Lenox, Illinois. I help a wide variety of patients such as athletes, weekend warriors, and everyday movers to recover, stay pain-free, and come back stronger than they've ever possibly imagined. You know, REBUILT isn't your typical chiropractic clinic. I take a modern, movement-based approach to care that helps blend rehab, strength training, mobility, and just long-term performance strategies all into one. It's not just about getting out of pain, it's about staying out of pain for good. And unfortunately, too many clinics nowadays focus on pain reduction and relief, but completely miss on continuing to keep patients out of pain. KT tape is honestly one of the tools I use daily here in my clinic, and whether it's for plantar fasciitis, maybe patellar tracking, shoulder instability, maybe even low back support, it helps reduce pain, restore people's function, and give my patients the confidence they need in order to keep moving. You know, I've had one patient come in with intense foot pain from plantar fasciitis, and after a few sessions with me and the use of KT tape to offload the stress during all their daily activities, they were able to get back to jogging in just a few weeks. Every session at REBUILT will start with a full-on assessment. I look at movement patterns, I identify the root causes, and I build a plan tailored to that exact patient. I combine my hands-on therapy, corrective exercises, and tools like KT tape to reinforce and give the feedback to the area that we're working on. The tape helps reinforce the changes I've made in session, and it'll set the foundation for better movement right away. I'm not your typical chiropractor that just adjusts you and sends you on your way. I offer things like dry needling, shock wave, I'll utilize KT tape, I do soft tissue work, manual therapy with my hands, but then I also have the education and belief system to instill exercises like rehab and strength training to get you out of pain and then to continue keeping you out of pain and getting you stronger. Whether it's here in the clinic or on the field or even in the gym, KT tape helps people move with way less pain and move with way more confidence. You know, it's trusted by athletes across every major sport, and that's for a great reason. It's a key tool in my approach to aiding in recovery and performance. At REBUILT, once a patient is out of pain, the next step is clearly long-term maintenance. For my active patients, runners, athletes, and parents, we focus on strength training, mobility, and sustainable routines they can do day in and day out. KT tape helps support exactly that. Every strip of tape that I apply is a step towards someone's comeback or recovery. That's why I use it at REBUILT. It's more than just tape, it's an extension of the work that I directly do right here at REBUILT Strength Rehab.